Hello and welcome to today's session. LO1. Be able to identify research problems and formulate research objectives. Are you ready to explore the fundamentals of business research methods? In this session, we will focus on how to identify clear and meaningful research problems and translate them into well-defined research objectives. You'll discover practical strategies to develop a robust research plan that sets the foundation for successful outcomes. The aim of this unit is to develop your understanding of research principles. It covers the formulation of research proposals and literature reviews. You'll learn about data collection using interviews and surveys, questionnaire design and statistical analysis using SPSS are also included. Finally, methods for drawing conclusions from data are explored. Understanding the research context is crucial for identifying problems. Research problem identification involves finding specific issues to investigate. This can be done through observation or literature review. Developing insights and assessing feasibility are key steps. Possibilities for research topics are endless and exciting. A research problem is a specific issue your study aims to address. It is identified through observation or literature review. The goal is to find something not fully understood or lacking evidence. For example, high staff turnover in care homes impacts care quality. Identifying a problem involves looking for knowledge gaps. Once a problem is identified, break it into research questions. These are specific queries guiding your study. Good questions are clear, focused, and measurable. They should be relevant to your area of study. For instance, what factors contribute to high staff turnover? Research objectives describe what your study aims to achieve. They should directly answer your research questions. Objectives guide your methodology and are specific, achievable, and relevant. They must fit within your research timeframe. For example, identifying causes of staff turnover is a clear objective. Here's how problems, questions, and objectives connect. The problem is the issue needing investigation. Questions are the lines of inquiry into that issue. Objectives are the goals guiding how you'll answer those questions. This connection ensures a coherent research plan. Start with a short explanation of a research problem. Describe how you identified your specific problem. Present your main research question or questions. List 2 to 4 clear research objectives. These should align directly with your questions. Appraising a research problem means examining its importance. It defines the issue that needs exploration. Consider its relevance, feasibility, and clarity. A well-appraised problem provides a clear foundation for questions. It ensures the study is worth investigating. A research problem usually arises from knowledge gaps. Conflicts in evidence can also highlight problems. Practical issues faced by professionals are another source. Emerging trends may require understanding too. For example, social isolation in elderly care is a current issue. To appraise a research problem, evaluate it against criteria. Check its relevance within the field. Ensure the problem is clearly defined and specific. Assess if it can be researched feasibly. Consider if it offers something new or valuable. Social isolation among elderly patients is highly relevant. It's clearly defined, focusing on a specific issue. Data can be gathered through interviews or surveys. The topic adds perspective on emotional well-being. Ethical considerations require consent and sensitivity. Once a problem is identified, formulate clear objectives. These define what the research aims to achieve. Objectives provide a structured plan for data collection. They should be specific, measurable. and achievable. Each objective addresses a specific aspect of the problem. Research objectives should focus on a particular aspect. They must be possible to evaluate using data. Objectives should be realistic within the scope and time. They must connect directly to the main research problem. For instance, identifying factors contributing to social isolation. Justification explains why each objective is relevant. It connects objectives to the research problem. This shows how they contribute to solving it. Justifications ensure objectives are not random. They are logically connected and actionable. There must be a direct link between problem and objectives. The problem identifies what needs to be studied. Objectives outline what the study aims to achieve. Justification explains why those aims are appropriate. This alignment keeps research focused and purposeful. When writing your section for 1.2, be clear. State your research problem clearly. List 3 to 4 concise and relevant objectives. Justify each one, explaining its support for your research. Ensure all objectives are smart and realistic. Bryman and Bell's business research methods is a key resource. Cresswell's research design provides qualitative insights. French and colleagues discuss job stress mechanisms. Georgie's work explores COVID-related mental health effects. Camisa examines stress and burnout among nurses. Refer to ebooks and journals on the Moodle. Additional reading materials are available. For queries, email learnerwork at UKversity. Submit assignments to the same email. Assignments are due 2 weeks after unit completion. Correct. This resource was created by UKversity Online. It includes third-party materials where specified. UKversity's name and logos are unregistered trademarks. All reproductions must comply with licensing terms. UKversity reserves all rights to these items. In conclusion, this video has guided you through the entire process, from identifying the problem to formulating clear research objectives. By applying these methods, you can enhance your chances of achieving successful research outcomes. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message to 07484 361,688. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you soon.